Oh, I blundered my queen. In the finals, I blundered my queen. That's the next game. Let's try to win it. King's Pawn opening, my favorite opening. Let's begin the ambush. Now comes this favorite structure. Oh! He gives up a piece. Nowhere near winning. White is completely winning this. Oh, one more. He gives a queen as well. I think he should. Oh my god, that's a check, and that's a simply winning position for white. There is a check now. He can't take my queen. Rook coming to e1. Queen taking on f7 now. Mate is incoming. Yeah, he blundered. It's a checkmate. Waiting for the next round. 11 rounds are done. I think we are on the second spot, and now we have come to the first spot. After winning this match, we are on the leaderboard now. Yes, we have another game. 30 seconds to each opponent and me. Let's start with Karo Khan if he plays e4. Yes, Karo Khan there. Karo Khan opening played. Oh, he gave up a pawn which is free now. Oh, what am I doing? I could have just taken that pawn. Attacking the knight. Oh, knight, free piece. It's a free piece. Free piece on f5. But my hand was on king. I wanted to take that piece. I don't know what happened. Now let's try to win this one. Please take with the knight. Let's exchange. Now bring the rook to c5. Let's exchange the rook. Take the pawn. Block the pieces. He's a tough player, I think. Yes, he's a tough player, I think. Because the position is equal. I'm one pawn up, but that's not enough for winning. Oh, he blunders a piece. Now there's check, and now he's trying to flag me. Oh, now it's winning. Now it's winning. We can do this. We can do this, guys. Slowly he's promoting, but doesn't matter. We are very fast. We can win this. We can win this, guys. Yes, definitely we can win this. One move, one step towards winning. Yes, we won on time. 3 rounds to go, and I think we are on the leaderboard. Next round has begun. Let's start with our favorite king's pawn. Countering each and every move. Move on move. Just making fast moves with precision, trying to maintain the tempos. Attacking the queen. Saving the bishop. Bringing the rook to open file. He moves his queen, bringing another rook to the open file. Now I have created a pin on the c file. Let's see. He should move his king, but he is doing all the wrong things on the earth. Now he blunders a queen. Oh yes, take it. And now the queen is gone. Queen is gone on the board for black. And now black's position is not that good. 2 seconds, 1 second, and yes, we have won this game. 2 rounds to go. Let's see. Can we win this, guys? Can we win this tournament? I hope you're enjoying this video, having fun while watching the Super Bullet, not Bullet, Super Bullet. It's a 30 seconds tournament. For serious chess, you can always check out our videos in the description. Links are in the description for all the serious study games. Let's play Karo Khan if he plays for e4. Yes, Karo Khan is played. Try to be solid. Oh, he gives a pawn. First of all, messing up with his castles. Gives me a chance to exchange the bishop. Removing the knight, attacking on e5. He defends. Now castle on the queen side. His king comes in the center, which is very, very unsafe. Developing the bishop. Just the bishops. Bringing the rook to e5. Attacking the e-pawn, attacking the rook, bringing the knight. I took on d3. Oh, I gave a piece. What am I playing? I don't deserve to be a superhero. What am I doing? Now it's a game. Now it's a game, guys. His rook is tapped. 0.3 seconds and we won. We have won the match. Now we are on the second spot. Now we went to the first spot after winning this. If we win this next round, we are the winner of this tournament. Let's try to win this online tournament, Super Bullet tournament. We are entering into a final of this tournament. Playing for the gold medal, guys. Playing for the gold medal. Let's win this. Okay. Start with a Karo Khan. If he plays e4. Karo Khan is my very favorite opening in the Super Bullet tournaments. Oh, he develops his queen. Brings his queen out. What is he playing? Is he trying to flag me? Is he trying to win in such a way? By exchanging queens? Oh, I blundered my queen. In the finals I blundered my queen. But let's try to trap his queen now. Attacking his queen. Okay. Wow, oh he blundered his queen again. I got my queen back. I got my queen back. Superb thing. Just 1 second to go. We have 20 seconds. Oh, we have won this tournament. I think we have won this tournament. Let's wait for the results. Let's wait for this result, guys. The results are about to announce, and we have won the tournament, guys. Hit the like button. It's a gold medal for us, guys. We have won this tournament. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the content, if you like our bullet skills, please hit the like button. Subscribe to our channels, as fun videos are coming for your entertainment in this lockdown. Thanks for watching.